हरे कृष्णा। चैतन्य चरितामृत आदि लीला चैप्टर 10 टेक्स्ट 101। ओम अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मिलितेन तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। नमो ओम विष्णुपादाय कृष्णप्रेष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते जयपताका स्वामिनिति नामिने। नमो ओम आचार्यपादाय नित्याय कृपा प्रदायिने गौरकथा दामादाय नगर ग्राम तारिणे। नमो ओम विष्णुपादाय कृष्णप्रेष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्तिवेदांता स्वामिन इति नामिने। नमस्ते सरस्वती देवी गौरवाणी प्रचारिणी निर्विशेष शून्यवादी पाश्चात्य देश तारिणी। जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवसदि गौर भक्तवृंदा। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। वासुदेवा पराभेदा, वासुदेवा परामखा, वासुदेवा परायोग, वासुदेवा पराक्रिया, वासुदेवा परम ज्ञान, वासुदेवा परातप, वासुदेवा परो धर्म, वासुदेवा परागति। वसुदेवं सुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानंदं कृष्णं वंदे जगद्गुरु। हे कृष्ण करुणा सिंधु दीनबंधु जगतपते गोपेश गोपिका कांता राधा कांता नमोस्तुते। तप्त कांचन गौरांगी राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये। कृष्णे स्वधामोपगति धर्मज्ञानादिभिः सह कलो नष्टो दृशामेषा पुराणार्को उदिनोदिता। नष्टप्रायेषु भद्रेषु नित्यं भागवत सेवया भगवती उत्तमश्लोके भक्तिर्भवति नैष्ठुकी। वाञ्छाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्यैव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। टेक्स्ट 101। Sri Raghunatha Dasa Goswami took 3 baths daily in the Radhakund lake. As soon as he found a Vaishnava residing in Vrindavana, he would embrace him and give him all respect. He engaged himself in devotional service for more than 22.5 hours a day, and for less than 2 hours he slept. Although some days that also was not possible. I am struck with wonder when I hear about the devotional service he executed. I accept Srila Rupa Goswami and Raghunatha Dasa Goswami as my guides. I shall later explain very elaborately how all these devotees met Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Sri Gopala Bhatta Goswami, they 47th branch was one of the great and exalted branches of the tree. He always engaged in discourses about love of Godhead in the company of Rupa Goswami and Sanatana Goswami. The Acharya Sankaranya was considered the 48th branch of the original tree. From him proceeded the sub-branches known as Mukunda, Kaninatha and Rudra. Srinatha Pandita, the 49th branch, was the beloved recipient of all the mercy of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Everyone in the three worlds was astonished to see how he worshipped Lord Krishna. Jagannatha Acharya, the 50th branch of the Chaitanya tree, was an extremely dear servant of the Lord, by whose order he decided to live on the bank of the Ganges. The 51st branch of the Chaitanya tree was Krishnadasa Vaidya. The 52nd was Pandita Sekara. The 53rd was Kavi Chandra, and the 54th was Sastivara, who was a great Sankirtana performer. The 55th branch was Srinatha Mishra. The 56th was Subhananda. The 57th was Sri Rama. The 58th was Isana. The 59th was Srinidhi. The 60th was Sri Gopikanta, and the 61st was Mishra Bhagavan. The 62nd branch of the tree was Subudhi Mishra. The 63rd was Hirdayananda. The 64th was Kamala Nayana. The 65th was Mahesa Pandita. The 66th was Srikara, and the 67th was Sri Madhu Sudana. The 68th branch of the original tree was Purushottama. The 69th was Sri Galima. The 7th, the 70th was Jagannatha Dasa. The 71st was Sri Chandrasekhara. Vaidya, and the 72nd was Dvija Haridasa. The 73rd branch of the original tree was Ramadasa. The 74th was Kavi Chandra. The 75th was Sri Gopala Dasa. The 76th was Bhagavata Acharya. And the 77th was Thakura Sarangadasa. The 78th branch of the original tree was Jagannatha Tirtha. The 79th was the Brahmana Sri Janaki Natha. The 80th was Gopala Acharya, and the 81st was the Brahmana Vani Natha. The three brothers Govinda, Madhava, and Vasudeva were the 82nd, 83rd, and 84th branches of the tree. Lord Chaitanya and Nityananda used to dance in their kirtana performances. Ramadasa Abhirama was fully absorbed in the mellow of friendship. He made a flute of a bamboo stick with 16 notes. By the order of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, the devotee second three devotees accompanied Lord Nityananda Prabhu when he returned to Bengal to preach. These three were Ramadasa, Madhava Ghosa, and Vasudeva Ghosa. Govinda Ghosa, however, remained with Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu at Jagannatha Puri and thus felt great satisfaction. Bhagavata Acharya, Chiranjeeva Sri Raghunatha Nandana, Madhavacharya, Kamala Kanta, and Sri Yadu Nandana were all among the branches of the Chaitanya tree. Jagai and Madai, the 89th and 90th branches of the tree were the greatest recipients of Lord Chaitanya mercy. These two brothers were the witnesses who proved that Lord Chaitanya was rightly named Patita Pavana, the deliverer of the fallen souls. Hare Krishna.